So today we would like to share the kids learning without disconnect. Uh, First of all, I would like to introduce about myself. My name is Eric Xie, and of I'm in charge of Korea, Japan, Philippines, Pakistan, Australia, New Zealand, China, and Taiwan. I'm very pleased to join this webinar with my colleagues, and we will going to present our solution in the next 30 minutes. Jero?
Yes, I'm Gerald, and I'm the account sales in ECS, and currently handling Vietnam and Thailand market. Uh, Thank you.
So, as you all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected education system worldwide, leading to the near total closure of schools, college, and university. Within these couple of days, the COVID-19 pandemic also spread out in Taiwan, a huge impact on grade 9 and grade 12 students because they have an examination at this moment. In the past, we continue to focus on classroom education. We emphasize the interactive and collaboration during the classroom time. But now we can no longer assume that traditional classroom education is the right approach. As schools around the world transition to remote learning during the COVID-19 pandemic, students, parents, and teachers are all wondering what this means for education in the future.
So, the way how your kids learn in post-pandemic becomes more important, and what ECS can offer. Uh, we can talk about a little bit more about this. So, but before that, let me introduce ECS first. And ECS is a public listing company. Was founded in 1987, and we have more than 30-year experience in manufacturing electronic products such as motherboard, desktop, desktop, laptop, computer, and headset, and etc. Around 10 years ago, we got involved in designing and manufacturing educational laptops. And ever since then, we have shipped out 30 million plus units of education products to over than 70 countries in the world.
So as you know, during these 10 years, we have been exploring our education and our solution in the world. So today we would like to share our classroom solution. Traditional classroom learning can be way harder than it seems as teachers spending most of time preparing for schoolwork, classroom presentation, and lecture setting. ECS solution does not deliver only purpose-built device, but also classroom management, which is the most essential part of the solution. The goal is to have teachers to achieve an academic productivity classroom with focused, attentive, and on-task students. And that ECS education solution is to create an interactive and highly engaged learning environment with wireless network to have teachers interact with their students. And how we do it? The networking. ECS design and develop CNAP, we call it Content Management Access Point. It's a networking infrastructure device building an environmental network for teacher and student. They are able to access to CNAP, sharing the materials, teachers' notes, classroom activity, and other multimedia learning content during the class period. With everything in digital content, teacher can free up to 30% of her time during traditional classroom material and spend that free time to transform the classroom into constructive teaching and improve the collaboration. So we would like to know what is CNAP? The CNAP is a combination of the PC and Wi-Fi routers, which includes computing performance and storage. Also can support up to 50 simultaneous connections. CNAP has mobility, secure networking, durability, and capacity of storage. And for remote learning, I'll pass to the Gerald.
Yes, and as we all know that lots of cities had been locked down for a while due to the pandemic. And during this lockdown, students and teachers and even parents were not able to go to school or work. And every citizen had to learn and work from home. And then this forced everybody to consider the way how the education will be in the future. So an internet connected device becomes the most important thing to students and teachers for learning. So what are the key features that an internet connected device should have? First, of course, in order to connect to the internet, we have to have LTE or Wi-Fi. And second, we'll need a camera with a better video quality, a digital microphone, and a speaker with better sound quality to ensure smooth information exchange. But what ECS can provide is more than these.
So as a both different learning and skill solution, we would like to introduce our device. So I guess every people would like to know more device, am I right? So in here, I was just talking about the previous mentioned is the CNAP. The model we say the content management access point is allow 50 people simultaneous connection, and also support IP54. With the outdoor, we have a cover, so it will prevent the dust and the water resist. Also, it will can allow 70 centimeters drop. At the same time, the user scenario what we use in this one because they have a storage inside and a battery, so we can bring this thing to going out and everywhere. As you know, right now it's COVID-19, but after we got safe and every people can going out, I think teacher can just use in this one and then bring the students go outside for outside learning and can allow the Wi-Fi or LTE functions. So Gerald, I know you have two kids, right?
Yeah.
So I'm wondering what grades are they?
Well, my son is in the first grade of junior high, and my daughter is in the second grade of primary school.
Wow, that was incredible. I saw you look so young. It doesn't look like you already have two kids and turning to teenagers.
Yeah.
So can you advise like do they love 3C products or using the 3C device?
Yeah, here I will recommend our EH20. Yeah, as you can see, this is our laptop, and as you can see, there are two indicators here on the A cover. So one is for the power on, and the other one is for the connection to the internet. So teachers and parents can see easily if this device is turned on and if this device is connected. And you can see both sides. There are two covers, two rubber covers to cover the I/O port. So it can prevent from water damage or beverage damage. So this is IP54 rated. And then in here we have a carry handle, so it is easy for students to carry. So, oh, let me see. And here we have a rotational camera. Once you put on the desk, users can adjust this camera to capture what they want without adjusting the screen. And there's a stylus. You can fold it like this, and it has a 360-degree hinge. So students can write or draw on this touch screen. Moreover, this device is the drop resist of this device is up to 100 centimeter, and it is military standard A10G certified.
Thank you, Gerald. So I believe that you already introduced our two-in-one product. But what if I don't want to use in a two-in-one device? Do you have a regular device such as clamshell?
Yeah. We have this SF series, and we have two kinds of screen sizes. One is 11.6, and the other one is 14-inch. So these two are the conventional laptop, which are the clamshell, and again, these two are the ruggedized. So the water resist is up to 200 cubic meter on the seat cover, and then drop resist is up to 200 centimeters. So Eric, would you like to get one for your kid?
My kids are. My kids is just only 2 years old, so I don't think she can operate. But I think I might need a laptop for business because my wife she was working in the bank, and I think she might need a high performance with HDMI or card readers. So today in here, I would like to introduce another product. We have CF40CM. CF40CN is for the Core i series and can support vPro or non-vPro. We have a 14-inch Full HD with high thickness is about 7.9 millimeters. The nano bezel is 7.8, and on the keyboards is also 200 watts built resistance. On both sides, we have two Type-C, one for charging, and this one we can get about 80% fast charging in an hour. Another Type-C for the data, and HDMI and a Type-A. On the other side, we have a Type-A, RJ45, and a micro SD card readers. And let's also have a one 4-in-1 card readers. The total weight is about 1.6 kilograms, so it's not very heavy.
Oh, the card reader?
Yes.
It's very convenient because during this tax season in Taiwan, and we have to insert the health insurance card in order to file the tax. So it's very convenient. And also, if we would like to contact the ATM on the web, we don't have to have a external card reader. So looks good.
Thank you. So far from here, that's our products we have, and we will go back to our presentations. So Gerald, as you know, the COVID-19 pandemic now is spread out all over Taiwan, right?
Yeah.
So within this couple of days, the infection is keep going up. Unlike this year, we can still go to office to work, and kids can go to school for learning, for study, but now I may need to stay at home.
Sounds like you're not willing to stay at home with your wife.
Oh, no, definitely not. I definitely want to see my family every day and stay at home. Stay with them. But like our mayor says, we right now at this moment, we better stay at home and wear the mask when you have to go out, and don't eat outside. Take out the food to home. So teachers to achieve an academic productivity classroom with focused, attentive, and on-task students. After this dramatic change, I feel that distance learning is very important to help kids learning without disconnect. Recently, we have a project with Zhonghua Telecom that always connect device in education. Device can support LTE, which can achieve always connect lesson scenario will include VR and our two-in-one device. Students can use VR to simulate the scenes, object, and different places, and using device to interact with other students and answering the questions. Demo will display in these three different junior high schools, Taipei, Tainan, and Kaohsiung. So if anyone is interested, feel free to contact or email me for more information. And Gerald, would you want to talk about more scenario in your areas?
Yeah, so in the countries that I handle, such as Vietnam, we collaborated with a famous Vietnamese enterprise and got the project of mobile schools. Mobile schools are either folded houses uh, or containers or boats, which consists of laptop computers and other classroom facilities. As you can see the pictures in the slide. The purpose of mobile schools is to provide computer literacy to students in rural areas in order to narrow the gap in computer skills between urban and rural kids. Each school provides computer skill training for 30 students per session, 250 students per course, and 1,000 students per year. Besides Vietnam, in Thailand, our partner is under discussion about a mega project of educational laptops with OBEC, a government agency of Thai Ministry of Education. So these are just some of the cases that we've been engaged at present. However, we still need Cynics as a partner to explore and generate more sales leads. As we all know that Cynics is one of the most famous distributors in the world, which has the strongest sales channels in Southeast Asia. I believe Cynics will even grow even larger after merging Tech Data, the second largest IT distributor in the world. So ECS can focus on designing, manufacturing, and service, while Cynics can focus on distributing. So I'm really looking forward to mutual collaboration in the near future.
So thank you everyone to attend this webinar, and thank you Cynics for giving us this opportunity. In today's webinar, we have introduced our solution in traditional classroom and remote learning, and our device with EH20GN and SF series and CF40CM. So if you need more information to have questions or any would like to more information or any questions, you can contact us. And thanks again for taking your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. The demonstration of the laptop is very extraordinary. If I don't have a kids, but I'll definitely get one for them in advance. And I think, is there anyone has any questions? Ellen?
Hi. I want to thank you for your presentation. It's a wonderful presentation. And I really like the design of the suitcase. It's something that you don't need to purchase extra bags, so you can carry. And for this market, it's very, very good. I have a question. Is this product will be available in Taiwan market in the distribution channel?
Yes, the model for the ES20 already in mass production, and it can be in the Taiwan's market.
So PC Home should be available.
Not right now, but we were thinking in some other website.
Okay. And you say it's IP54, so it's only just water, just light water. Coffee, for sure, your computer will die.
Yes, but we will just only protect. So, for example, if you spill out like the water, like the raining or going the outside, this can be prevented. But if you just drop all your waters on the, will be also be safe.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. No more question.
Mm-hmm.